Are you okay?
I am fine. I just slept. Hello, David, sir. I am Anna's mother. Anna's boss told us about you.
I understand. She is my aunt. Welcome to Paris.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Shall we go?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Good morning, Mom. I am exhausted. I am going to sleep now.
Good morning, madam. I am Anna. Nice to meet you. I am Anna's mother. Nice to meet you too. My sister talks a lot about you. Welcome to Paris. Thank you, madam. Your sister is a great lady. She helped us a lot. I know everything. She told me about your stepfather. I am so sorry to hear that. Let me show you your room. Follow me this way. This is your room. You both can stay here. I hope you like it. I love it, madam. Thank you so much. Anna, can you cook well? Yes, madam. I can cook very well. My mom taught me everything. I can cook, I can do the laundry. Sounds good to me. Fantastic. Madam, may I ask you a favor? Sure. What do you want? I want to work as well. I can mow the lawn. I will clean the bathrooms. I don't want to sit idle. Can you help me? Sure. You can work here too. I will pay you as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. You must be tired now. You need to rest. I will see you in the evening. Sure. Thanks again.
I hate you, Anna. I will find you soon. You have to pay for everything.
I am broke now. I cannot find a job. I want beer.
You cannot hide anywhere. I will find you in the whole world.
I am so happy, Anna. We found a good place to live. Yes, Mom. We are safe now. We will work hard. Nobody can hurt you again. We will stay together.
Excuse me.
Who are you? What do you want?
I did not want to scare you. I am so sorry.
I am Anna's father.
What are you talking about? I don't know her.
She used to work here. She is my daughter.
She is missing now. I don't know where did she go.
I have no idea. She did not come here.
I am really worried about her. Do you know her friends?
I am the boss here. How would I know her friends? You must not come here again. You should go before I call security.
No, no. I am going. Sorry to bother you.
I need to talk to Anna. Her stepfather is crazy. Delicious. I really like this dinner. You make tasty food. Thanks, madam. I am glad you like it. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Sure. I would love to have a cup of coffee. Hello, who is calling?
Come on, David. You are still sleeping. We want to hang out with you.
I found a new restaurant. We will have dinner there, then we will go to the disco. I don't want to go, my friend. I don't want to hear your excuses. Let's have some fun, bro.
All right, I am going to take a shower. See you.
I must say, Anna, you did a great job. I really like your work. Thanks. Do you need anything? David is in his room. Can you serve him dinner? Yeah, sure, madam. How was your day, Anna? It was great, Mom. I like my job. I love this place. David's mom is a nice lady. We will talk a lot, Mom. I will be right back. David, sir, I have brought your food. Where are you? Where is he? Hi, how are you? Did you like my sister's house? Yes, I like this house. Your sister is a nice lady. She has given me a job as well. I am so happy here with my daughter. I am so happy for you. I want to tell you something. I am listening. Is everything okay? Sir David, where are you? I must talk to David. He should not hang out with his friends. David, are you in your room? Where are you?